Feeling stuck in life can be overwhelming, especially when everything seems to be going wrong. Arguments with your partner, problems with your children, and a sense of exhaustion can make it hard to see a way forward. But there is hope. Tomorrow is Friday, the 12th day of the month. Let's not carry these negative vibes into September. By doing a simple ritual, you will see how everything can improve. All you need is coffee, which has an amazing connection to the ground. It's perfect for protection, ritual, and warding of negative energy from places and people around you. Coffee helps balance energies. Coffee not only cleans and purifies the environment but also breaks curses. Its aroma acts like a shield, keeping bad vibes away. It opens up paths and attracts abundance and prosperity. Make a circle of coffee in the sink drain. With strong belief, use this coffee to sweep away any bad energy blocking your path to abundance. Break any evil eye harming your relationship with your partner and children. Your home will be a sanctuary. This September will be filled with peace, blessings, and abundance. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's done. For more information, contact Aghori Dinesh Babaji. Call now and get effective results. Reach out via phone or WhatsApp or visit the website for more details. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and please do subscribe my YouTube channel.